Okay, let's see if I can hear. There's some kind of problem with the fan on the left. This is the ML120. If I just stop it with my finger, you can hear the one on the right. It's working just fine. And I just wait. It's got this droning noise.